Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie and I'm a paralegal consultant here at One Law Chambers. In this video I'm going to explain the UK's Adult Dependent Relative Visa category and give you a quick guide into how you can obtain this visa. The Adult Dependent Relative Visa category is for non-EEA adult dependent relatives of British citizens in the UK, persons settled in the UK, or persons in the UK with refugee leave or humanitarian protection status who wish to settle here. If you are granted this visa, you will be permitted to enter and remain in the UK indefinitely. There are 4 requirements that need to be met, and those are set out by UK Visas and Immigration. The first is that you are over 18 years of age and the parent, grandparent, brother or sister, or son or daughter of a person who is in the UK. That person must also be over 18 and either a British citizen settled in the UK or a person with refugee leave or humanitarian protection status. The second is that as a result of age, illness or disability, you require long-term personal care. The third is that you are unable, even with the practical and financial help of your family member, to obtain the required level of care in the country where you are living because it is either unavailable or unaffordable. The last requirement is that you will be adequately maintained, accommodated and cared for in the UK by your family member without recourse to public funds. Depending on the individual circumstances of an applicant, the exact requirements may vary. It is important to note that the Adult Dependent Relative Visa route is only available to applicants outside the UK and that you cannot switch into this route from within the UK. It is also important to mention that this visa category is known for being more difficult to obtain than others. The applicant may experience the high level of ill health required by the second criterion, but meeting and demonstrating the third criterion is even harder. Most sponsors who are able to maintain and accommodate their dependent relative for 5 years will find it hard to prove that they cannot provide care for that relative in their country of origin. The high evidential threshold that the Adult Dependent Relative Visa application requires means you will need to provide expert reports to demonstrate that all the requirements are met. As this visa category is harder to obtain than many, and the requirements and evidence will vary depending on your case, you may want to speak to an immigration lawyer for expert advice. Here at One Law Chambers, our immigration solicitors and barristers regularly assist with immigration and visa applications in order for applicants to relocate and settle in the UK. We have assisted many foreign nationals to prepare and submit successful immigration and visa applications, and we have represented clients from all over the world. We are well equipped to prepare and submit your Adult Dependent Relative Visa application. Please check out our website in the description box below or give us a call for more information. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope it's been helpful. Bye!